Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Athens, Greece, and I'm standing in front of Hadrian's library. And so it's a major feature here in Athens, but I'm going to show you the best place for lunch. That's right, it's lunchtime. It's 12 noon exactly, so I'm going to show you what lunch looks like, and it's $4 for €1, and it's pretty amazing, and it's good food, and it's incredible for $4. What the heck? Let's go do it together. Here we go. All right, everybody, so again, this is Hadrian's library, and you can see it right here. You can't really miss it. Let me recenter my camera a little bit so you can see. And there's the Acropolis up on top of the hill. So what you do is you turn left towards the main center of the square. So this is one of the major squares here. There's a big metro station here too. There's an old church in front of me. There's the mosque right here on the right. And this is where the entrance to the flea market is. So here's the mosque, if you can read that. I don't know what traditional pottery means as far as a mosque goes, but this square is pretty famous. I mean, you can see how crowded it is and crazy and everything else. And you see where it says flea market? You just keep going away from the Acropolis. Now you're going away from the Hadrian's library, and there's that little old church over there, and you see this corner up here. There's a word that says pharmacy, and then a toy store up here. We're gonna go up here and turn left, and it's right around the corner, and here come the police. There was a guy that was getting harassed, and it's gonna go left of center. I'm glad I left. I was sitting next to this guy, and there were really like 4 or 5 policemen, and so it wasn't nice. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're going to lunch, and so we go here. You'll see this place, Moya Tavakaya, or I don't know what that word is, but I took a stab at it. You get here to the end and you take a left. See all the police? But we don't care about the police. Oh, and they have a big police truck too. I don't know. So anyway, you go down this little tiny side street and you can see it right there. It's in the red. It's called Savvas. I'll just call it Savvas. I am sure I am not saying that right. And so you get to get a $4 euro. You can get chicken or pork. I find the pork is better. And you can see where it says kebab, gyros, doner. And the kebabs are amazing too. But this is it, Savvas. See where it says Savvas? And this is where you make your order, but you have to pay first. So what you do is you go in this door here, and you got to buy your gyro first, and then you go and get in line, and then they make it for you. And you can get it made however you want. So obviously there's a line here, and there's a line over there too. So, and there's where you sit outside. So it's really good. If you sit at a table, sorry, I'm spinning so fast. If you sit at one of these tables, there's an extra charge and all that kind of stuff. But Savvas, I think that's right. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait until it's my turn. So I'm gonna stop recording and I'll be right back. Okay, bye. All right, so it's my turn. And so they have lamb, chicken, and pork, but you just have to order first. So, and then they make it over on that side. You see them over there making it, but I'll show you that, what that looks like too. So, and this lady's been here every single time I've ever been here, so she's really nice too. So.
Thank you very much.
€1 and card. I love your gyros.
Thank you.
Okay. The best.
Of course.
€4, right?
€1.
€4.
€4.
For a euro. No, not €1. For euros.
€4.
Sorry, I made a mistake. Okay, thank you. So anyway, you get your ticket, and then you go get in line here. And now they make your gyro to order. So if you want it spicy, you can get it spicy. If you want extra tomatoes, you can get extra tomatoes. If you want it to go, you can do that too. If you want all that stuff, you can do all that. And so it's really amazing. And they're usually pretty quick about it. But But literally, I've eaten here probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 times since I've been here, and I've eaten here lots of times before, so it's certainly worth it. So anyway, I'll wait until I get up close and then I'll start recording again. Here we go. I guess we're gonna go. Okay, so I want pork. Pork gyro. And so there's the pork, chicken, lamb, and then here's all the fixings. You can have like cream cheese or whatever this is and all that stuff, and tzatziki, 2 tzatziki, and then hot sauce. Hot sauce now in the middle because I like it spicy. Oh, good. Yeah, salt too. Good, perfect. Yep, couple. Lots of onion. And lettuce. Might as well get it all. And then French fries they throw on. And everybody comes to the window and tries to order, but that's not the thing. You got to go and pay first, then order. And more hot sauce? Thank you. Efkarasto. And a tray. Perfecto. A tray? And I like a tray just because they really are messy, and so it's perfect. Thank you. So then anyway, so then you go find a spot and you go sit somewhere. Can I join you? Yeah. All right. And so the nice thing is sitting out here, you can bring your own beer. So I go and get a $1.40 beer. So that's $1.40 or a euro 40, and then you get this your euro, and it is amazing. Look at that. Is that amazing? And it's pretty spicy, so I like jazzing it up, and I don't mind the onions, and I don't mind the extra tzatziki sauce. And hang on to those napkins, because I guarantee you're going to need them. They are like, these things are going to be all over your face before you get too far. So I usually take it and stick it under my napkin, or under the tray, because it's windy. And there we go. So let me get this thing turned around, and I'll start eating it, and you can watch me make a pig of myself. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. So I just peeled back the paper a little bit because you really have to eat this in stages. It's not like you can just dive in, but that's what it looks like. That's where we're at. And this is me. Here we go. This is amazing. And I think the pork is the best by all means. Absolutely. Join me. And so anyway, so it's wonderful. And you usually end up eating with people, and you know, that's the way it goes. It's gyros. Let's try another bite. It is wonderful. The best. And for $4, you can't beat that. Okay. Bye, everybody. All right, so I'm almost done. You can see why you get a tray, because all this would be all over the table. So I get a tray, and I got like dead napkins everywhere, and you know, but the last couple of bites are really good because the grease from the pork rolls down, and it is so good. So that little bite right there. Oop, let's throw on a hot spicy French fry and a little bit of extra tomato, and oh, there's another spicy French fry. Let's throw that on there. God. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Now I'm full. But you can't go wrong with the last bite. So here we go. Let's try this with me. Here we go. You ready? Bye-bye. Amazing. You'll go to a lot of restaurants that'll sell you a euro for $15 or $18 or whatever it is. For $4 here, I guarantee you can't go wrong. It is absolutely wonderful. That's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for enjoying Athens with me. And no, I'm not sharing a bite with you.
Hi.
All right, so here's what my tray looks like when I'm done. I think I've used 100 napkins and drank my beer and everything else, and that's why I always get a tray, and it's worth it. But I'm going to show you the next best secret here. Oops. I dropped my tray in the thing. Here you go. So I'm going to show you the best part. After lunch or after you eat, you got to go this way. Inside. And then you go left, and then you go right, and then you go left, and then you go down. Because my hands are covered with gyro and hot sauce and french fries and everything else. And this is where the bathrooms are. You gotta wash your hands because it is messy. Okay, that's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming, and have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.